Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's been really dumb. I've been having a lot of issues with my settings. I said a while ago that I was going to try to get better settings for my camera, and I've been doing it manually just to find out, man, I really suck at making good settings. All my videos have been coming out way too white, so I just delete them. It's really annoying. It's kind of upsetting, but oh well. I had a couple amazing videos that I wanted to upload, but I couldn't because the camera quality was garbage. It was way too white, too bright. Wasn't pleasant. So right now I'm just testing out some camera settings. Trying to find good settings to use. I had 30 frames per second 4K, and I was doing some other setting stuff with exposure, but I switched it back to 4K 60 FPS over 120, whatever the thing is. Yeah, hopefully this is gonna fix my terrible camera issues. Man, it's been so annoying. I've tried to make some bangers, but no. But you know, that's just how it goes sometimes. It's fine. So yeah, short little ride today, just to get some good settings. I'm not here for gas, I'm just here to wipe down the front of my bike. That's literally it. Yum yum yum. Ooh, 77 bucks. Who spent 77 bucks? That sounds like that sucks. I wouldn't know. I pay $6 to fill up my tank. Oh, I might have just showed my license plate there. I hope I didn't, because if I did, I'm gonna have to kill you all. I'm kidding. It's a joke. Ooh, my helmet's fogging up. Speaking of which, I was gonna try to buy a helmet today, and the darn helmet was sold out. It's a KYT Revo. It's amazing. It looks so good for how cheap it is, but no, it was sold out, which of course made me upset because I want that helmet. It will help with this wind noise and stuff, which has been super annoying. But, you know, that's what happens. I was riding around today and I stumbled upon this guy with a ZX6R. Hopefully we'll be posting a video pretty soon. But yeah, we were riding down the interstate and that was so fun. Finally found a riding buddy with an amazing bike. Oh, it sounds so good. I was geeking the whole time we were riding together. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. If this video doesn't get deleted, I got some new brake and clutch levers. So that's sick. They look pretty nice. They feel amazing, honestly. Yeah, I'm really happy I got them. Honestly, let's go explore. Let's go somewhere I've never gone. Ever. Oh, I gotta stop at that Yamaha store sometime because I got a loose chain. That thing is so extremely loose, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, we're gonna turn here. We're gonna see what's down here. Yum yum yum. Oh, I so hope this comes out okay. Lucky, my camera was low battery and it might die while I'm making the video. That would suck. Oh, what is that? Is that a puppy? Oh, that is a puppy. Come here. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Don't hit the puppy. Don't hit the puppy. Come here. Don't bite me. Come here. Oh, puppy. Come on. Let's go. I want the puppy. Oh, fine. Be that way, puppy. I didn't want you anyway. I wonder what's down here. Bum, 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 bum. You know what would suck if I got hit by a deer? That would suck. Like if the deer hit me, like just jumps out and nails me. Oh! I've been thinking about that a lot lately. I don't know why. If this quality does not come out good, I am going to... I'm gonna be so mad. Now I just gotta fix weird wind noise. I don't know. I just gotta get a new helmet. That's just the deal. Nom 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 nom. Oh, I'm so hungry. Ooh, how far does this go? Oh my gosh, that lawn is so nice. You know what would suck? Having a nice lawn. I mean, think about it. You gotta get up every week. You know, like that lawn. What? You gotta get up every week. You gotta, you know, make sure your lawn is nice and moist, right? You have to. Hang on. Wait a second. I've never been here. Well, I'll just keep explaining. You gotta, like that one too. Oh my goodness. You gotta mow it all the time. Keep it perfect. Sometimes people put sand down and then level it out. Like that would suck. Imagine. I'm kidding. That'd be pretty nice. Horses! I mean cows! Moo! Oh, I've never been over here. This is actually kind of cool. I didn't know that this highway was back here. Oh yeah, I just got off work. That's why I'm kind of dressed nice. Very pretty. Again, if my camera settings are off, I'm going to flip. Because I've now tried to record 5 videos. 5 different videos. Long ones. Lots of work put into it. And I lost all the footage because it was too dang white. Too white. I hope my microphone is on now. Oh, I gotta pee! Oh yeah, I sat. Oh, I was peeing. Oh, look at that. I got to sit on that ZX6R. You let me sit on it, and man, it is not as comfortable as the Yamaha R3. I will say that. This thing is so comfy. But I would still take my uncomfort with that bike. Any day. You know, to be able to ride that thing, holy, that would be so cool. Yo, my collar is slapping my helmet and is making a thudding noise. I'm so sorry if you can hear that. Oh, there's animals. I don't know what they are, dude. I gotta pee. I might have to turn around soon. Or, you know, find some woods to pee in. Should I keep recording that? I don't know, folks. Ooh, I'm getting chilly. Oh, bum, 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 bum. Woo! Wow, somebody does burnouts there. No. Oh my goodness, who is doing this? 4 tires. I'm so hyped right now for some reason. It's probably because I gotta pee. You know, maybe I should start making videos when I gotta pee and it'll be more satisfying to watch. More interesting. On my last video I uploaded, I went outside the line just a little bit. It was like that much, and people were flaming me for it. Like, man. Ooh. 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 That car was looking at me. Honestly, you guys probably couldn't even see that. I gotta pee. I gotta pee. I gotta pee. Oh, how far does this go? I wanna see what's at the end of this road. Maybe it goes on forever, I don't know. Just maybe. Happy Land Tree Farms. Look at that. There's a tractor over there. Guys, my visor is eating bugs right now. Eating all of them. Nom nom nom. Okay, I gotta find an area where I can pee. I am so sorry. I'll cut it out, but somewhere where it's not somebody's property and it's public land. Sorry, somebody doesn't get mad that I peed on their wall. Doggies! Them kids with the crotch rockets. Are there bugs on my bike? Yeah, there are. Dang it, bro. I should just wash the bike. I should stop being a weak and just wash the bike. Oh, this goes on forever! Forever. I don't know, this is kind of a chill ride today. I know I'm doing a lot of yapping, but it's a chill ride. I gotta pee. In case you guys don't know, I will not make it home. I literally gotta pull over. Talking about it is making it worse. I just gotta find like an intersection or something where I can stop. I'm drinking. ADHD's taking over. Oh, I love finding these movie lines and trying to like stay in them. Oh! Oh, there's a little turn area that I can go pee in. I just don't want people. It's a dirt road. Are you joking? That's fine. That's fine. We don't take L's, dude. We don't take L's. Alright. Give me a moment. I just need to pee. Nobody's gonna see my pecker if I just pee right next to this drain, right? That was nice. I didn't want you guys to see my massive monkey. Okay, so I peed. Now what?